Okay, this is question 2 on the higher calculator paper. Now, first things first, the question says use your calculator. So use your calculator to work out, and they've given us a problem there. Write down all the figures on your calculator display. This is really important. A lot of people lose marks for this. You need to write down all the figures. And it says you must give your answer as a decimal. You must give your answer as a decimal, not a fraction or anything of that sort. So the way I'm going to do this, I need to use my calculator for this. So if I just position this so you can see it, okay. And I'm going to work out the top line. So calculator, and I'm going to do 38.5 times 14.2, and that's equal to 546.7. 546.7. So the top part of it is 546.7. I'm going to now work out the bottom. Alright, so at the bottom it's 18.4, take away 5.7, work it out, and that gives me 12.5. So the bottom is 12.5. And now all I need to do is to do a division of those two numbers. 546.7 divided by 12.5 equals, and there is my answer, 43.736. 43.736. Okay. Okay, the second part of this question wants us to write your answer correct to one significant figure. The second part of this question wants us to write the answer to part A correct to one significant figure. Now, the answer in part A was 43.736. When you're writing a number to significant figures, you count from the number at the front. So if I just count 1, I need to do one significant figure. Now that number there stands for 40. Okay, that stands for 40. Now I need to decide whether this whole number, right, I need to round it or sort of keep it as it is. What you do is you look at the next number along. This next number along, if that number is 5 or more, I need to increase the 4 to 5, and then it will be 50. But because that is less than 5 to one significant figure, I just need to leave it as 4 tens. That is 40. So to one significant figure, that's 40. This is something you need to be pretty okay with. Make sure you familiarize yourself, especially writing numbers to significant figures, and part A using a calculator effectively. 3 easy marks in here. Make sure you do get them.